Hi everyone, my name is Smitty and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Bristlebot kits. It's really cute, really easy to make. We were fortunate enough to get a sponsorship from Bristlebots, which we are very, very grateful for. Let's just get right into building. So let's see what's inside here. We have this little fuzzy pipe cleaner. We have an actual Bristlebot body, and this basically has bristles on the bottom. It's kind of like a toothbrush. Then inside this little packet, we have a battery carrying case. This is the 1.5 volt alkaline battery, little googly eyes, some glue dots, the same size of 4 of these rubber bands, one big thick rubber band, 2 wires, 1 red wire, 1 black wire, and finally our AC motor. So on the back of this Bristlebot kit, it starts off with 3 easy steps. 1, 2, 3. So if you ever want to, refer back to a picture, feel free to look right on the back and they will have the steps for you. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the body of your Bristlebot and you're going to put this right on top. Then you're going to take a rubber band, slightly open it, and just put one. Squeeze one in the middle, like that. Let's do another one. 2 or 3 should be really sufficient. So at max, you're gonna put 3 onto the Bristlebot body. Stick this in here, take this thick rubber band. You're just gonna wanna put it around the battery like that. So you have that on the side, and you have this right here. Take your motor, take the other rubber band, put the rubber band around your 2 fingers, and engulf the top. It's easiest to have the rubber band on the motor right there. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our wire, and it doesn't matter which you put where. Stick it in there. You're gonna put it right in the other hole, like that. Stick it inside. When you want to turn it off, since this is a whole circuit, just disconnect the circuit, take that out, it'll stop. Now, the googly eyes. And you're gonna have a little sheet of plastic with glue dots. Peel the glue dot off and pick which side. So I'm gonna pick this as my front, since the motor's all the way in the back. It's gonna be spinning and pushing it forward like that. So I'm just gonna take it, and you're gonna take the eye and push it. And so now that we have our Bristlebot, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take this pipe cleaner and make it into the legs that you can see in this final step here. So you're going to have the pipe cleaner as a whole, bend it, and you're going to want to cut it into 3 pieces. And you're going to stick this pipe cleaner under the battery and battery case. Lightly wrestle to get it in, and you're going to repeat this